Hi, today we're discussing WhatsApp channels and how to use them effectively. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just curious about this feature, stick around. This is going to be fun and super informative. Let's get started then. We'll start with the what. It's a feature that lets you broadcast messages to a large audience. Think of it as a one-way communication tool where you can share updates, promotions, or news with your subscribers. No need to respond to every single message. Now, let's talk about using them effectively. First up, keep it relevant. Share content that your audience actually wants to see, whether it's special offers, important updates, or behind-the-scenes looks. Next, keep it short and sweet. People love bite-sized content, so make your messages easy to read and straight to the point. Consistency is key. Create a content schedule so your audience knows when to expect updates. But don't overdo it. No one likes spam. Finally, track your performance. WhatsApp channels come with insights, so keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Adjust your content based on engagement and feedback. And there you have it. WhatsApp channels can be a game changer for your communication strategy. Remember to keep it relevant, consistent, and engaging. Happy broadcasting. See you next time.